Hello learners, welcome to this channel. We are back again with our new video on immune system in human body and COVID-19 outbreak. So what an immune system is? Is it a protection against foreign invaders, or they are the fighters of our body, or is it a shield to our body? What do you think about it, guys? Let's start. Immune system. Immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, organs and the substances they make that helps the body fight infections and other diseases. It helps our body to recognize the foreign invaders. The immune system keeps a record of every germ microbe it has ever defeated in types of white blood cells, B T lymphocytes known as memory cells. The main parts of the immune system are white blood cells, antibodies, the complement system, the lymphatic system, the spleen, the thymus and the bone marrow. So first we go with the white blood cells. Here you can see in the picture there are 5 types of white blood cells: monocyte, eosinophil, basophil, lymphocytes and neutrophil. Second, antibodies. It is a large Y-shaped protein produced mainly by plasma cells that is used by the immune system to neutralize pathogens such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses. Here you can clearly see in the picture large Y-shaped proteins known as antibodies. Third, the complement system. It is a part of the immune system that enhances or complements the ability of antibodies to clear microbes and damaged cells from an organism, to promote inflammation and attack the pathogen cell membrane. Fourth, the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste and other unwanted materials. Fifth, spleen. It acts as a filter for blood as part of the immune system. Sixth, thymus. Within the thymus cell lymphocytes or T cells mature. T cells are critical to the adaptive immune system where the body adapts specifically to foreign invaders. Seventh, bone marrow. Bone marrow is the spongy tissue inside some of your bones, such as your hip and thigh bones. It contains stem cells. The stem cells can develop into the red blood cells that carry oxygen through your body, the white blood cells that fight infections, and the platelets that help with blood clotting. These are the parts of the immune system that actively fight infections in your body. So our next topic is COVID-19 and its outbreak. During this pandemic, what are the tips we should follow are as: firstly, to wear mask. Second, to maintain a good hygiene. Third, proper hand washing. Fourth, stay at home if possible. Fifth, try to keep 6 feet away from other people. Sixth, clean and disinfect surfaces often. Seventh, eat a healthful diet with fruits, vegetables and proper supplements. In this critical time, how to manage stress? There are 2 ways: yoga and meditation. Please guys, seek medical help if health issue arises. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, comment and share this video. Also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much guys.